Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo generally has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, or so they for the most part thought. Velo's EMA10 explicitly shows a descending pattern, or so they explicitly thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an especially significant manner. 21 August 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and in every practical sense attempt to answer these oftentimes especially got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What all things considered is in every way that really matters. Momentary cost expectation for Velo. In a real sense, is Velo a generally excellent interest in an especially significant manner? Velo support and opposition levels and so on in a very significant manner. However, prior to jumping profound into the Velo specialized examination, truly let us in every practical sense discuss the really current economic situations in a by and large huge manner. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,047,585,515,720, which truly is very huge. The really absolute exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $28,364,522,647, which certainly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is very critical, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,002.62 level after a decay of 0.24% in a for the most part significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.53%. Coming to $1,660.19 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that. However, prior to jumping especially profound into the Velo specialized examination, especially let us generally discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, or so they really thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $208.18 following a value change of 3.65% within a similar time period, showing that. However, prior to plunging profound into the Velo specialized examination, let us explicitly discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they certainly thought. XRP, the local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 4.6. and as of now exchanging at 51 cents amazingly. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a fundamentally large way. These occasions for the most part show that the market by and large is going in a kind of descending course for extremely present moment, which basically is very huge. As of now, a general quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Velo generally has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in a sort of significant manner. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Further appearance how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,047,585,515,720 in a genuinely enormous manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further in an in every practical sense large way. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which dealers for the most part become move truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Fundamentally further appearance how similarly obstruction all things considered is a level at which vendors truly become move in every way that really matters dynamic and prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo fundamentally is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, which sort of shows that help especially is a level at which purchasers sort of become basically something else in every practical sense, dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any extremely further, in a kind of significant manner. However, Velo basically has a value decline of 5.82% in the absolute last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with an in every way that really matters, all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, exceptionally further appearance. How market examination over the all things considered, last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,047,585,515,720, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 21 August 2023, inside a kind of everyday time span, sort of made sense of beneath, showing how XRP, the local coin of XRP explicitly, is somewhere around 4.6 and presently exchanging at 51 cents, or so they certainly thought. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Velo in a really significant manner explicitly. The sort of relative strength list, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin especially is an oversold stage, as RSI especially is at 30 in an unpretentious manner. The Velo United States dollar moving commonly normal union and disparity, MACD, pointer, truly is showing a for the most part transient sort of sell kind of sign, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath. Genuinely signal line which in a real sense, implies sort of bears basically are overwhelming on the lookout, which really is genuinely huge. While Velo's Williams %R marker generally is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and sort of transient pattern, sort of inversion explicitly is truly conceivable in a huge manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, showing that Bitcoin shares 48.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Velo explicitly is moving in descending course, as certainly bears effectively by and large take the coin underneath prompt help level of $0.004, which basically shows that while Velo's Williams %R pointer basically is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and extremely transient pattern in every practical sense, inversion generally is in every practical sense, conceivable in an exceptionally huge way. Presently Velo ought to fundamentally track down a help at $0.004, or